So, yeah, sorry everybody about not being able to get to the unboxing video, but I just wanted to show you something real quick that really impresses me. This is my TiVo. You can pretty much already hear how loud it is. Now, that is the new Tenlong. It is so quiet. I've had to check 3 or 4 times just to make sure it's working. And of course, there you go. This is a whole new learning curve. I'm going to have to take my time and document a lot of this stuff so I can show you guys, kind of make an idiot's blog of learning this thing. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying your 3D printing today. Ah, damn. I can't hold anything. Damn it, Jeffrey! What? Get out of the frame, Jeffrey!